All right. So really quickly, hey, there's one spot here that I have just not had a chance to talk to you enough to know whether this will be a hiccup. But today, when you jump on a GLS, it's going to look like this. And you're looking down through, and you read the activity feed, which is what I said you do every day. It's giving you your checklist of things to get done. Number one, watch the day 2 video. You watch it. Wow, it's amazing. Number 2, you read through the content for Unit 1, Activity 2, How to Be Successful in School and Life. I look down. Oh, there's a link right there. Number 3, complete UA1, U1A2 discussion. And then there's part 2 for that. Those links are right here. So I click on that. And when I go there, the only thing that I thought could be a bit of a hiccup was within this section. So you do part 1, which is just a discussion. So you add to that. We've done that already. There's a link for it. Part 2, though, it says create a weekly schedule for yourself, and you click on this Google Sheet. So I put in brackets here. You're gonna have to make your own copy. So when you click on the link and it comes up, it gives you this Google Sheet. Okay, and you're gonna have that. Then you have to make your own copy of it, because right now this is only view. It's view only. It's something that I created that I can edit, but you can't until you make your own copy. So that's where you go up to File. And when you click on File, you can just make a copy. As soon as you make a copy, it makes your own personal copy in your drive that you can edit. That's going to be the file that you upload for me, the one that you edit. Okay? So that's just a quick video to help you with that. Hopefully that clears it up. And we'll